Hi guys, my name is Riddhi and today I'm going to do something very interesting. I am going to show my roti making skills and I am going to make a phulka. So let's get started. Let's get started with the phulka first. I'm going to take a nice amount of dough, dip it in the atta and just roll it. I hope I'm almost there. I think it's quite a round one. I've put a pan, now it's quite hot. Now I'm going to just flip it on my pan and just wait for it. Now my phulka is on the pan. I'm just flipping it on the other side. The speciality of the phulka is it doesn't have to be cooked on the pan, it has to be cooked on the flame. So this was it and the phulka is ready.